Are you new to online business?
Are you new to online business?
Are you new to online
Are
business?
you not? Are you new?
Are you new to
Are you
online
new to
business?
that? No, I'm not, but I want a system. That's what I want. A blueprint. You
Well,
got one?
we have a blueprint. We have no experience needed. We're going to guide you every step of the way. You can even get a free blueprint at our website, wealthyatlast.com, and it's going to give you a guide on how to make 6 figures in 6 months.
Yeah, and it's beginner friendly. So, you can be like a lame-o actually on social media, and you can have no following and nothing really going on. And all you're going to do is be like, you know what? I deserve financial independence. So I am going to just do this on day by day basis. I'm going to get better and better. People are going to say yes to me, and I'm going to attract a ton of money. And that's
Yeah.
cool. So as always, we have either affirmations
Yes,
for
we
you
do.
or we got tips for you. Thing one. You know what? I am new. No, I'm not new, but I am open to new and exciting income opportunities. I am new to exciting new income opportunities. Are you?
And thing 2 says, I attract success and prosperity in all that I do. I attract success and prosperity in all that I do. And that's
Yeah,
for you.
that's for you. Okay. Blessings. We'll connect with you tomorrow, as always. Friend us, like us, follow us, and we'll do the same for you. Thanks. Bye.